Yo, Nike know exactly what they doing dropping these OG colorways, niggas we haven't seen in forever, and I'm all here for 2022. We got some more crazy releases to go, some more girls to check out the list. So let's go ahead and get right into these unboxings straight for you guys. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning in to another video. Today, we about to be unboxing a pair of Air Jordans from the Nike sneakers app. I don't want to be a long anticipation. It's definitely a sneaker that I've been wanting for a little minute now, ever since seeing the older version of this pair right here. But before we get into it, make sure you guys subscribe right now, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge like on today's video, man. You're trying to get to that 70K. We just hit 60K. I appreciate everybody for supporting the channel, sharing, showing love, hitting that like button, dropping comments. All that matters. And it's definitely showing, man. So let's go ahead and get to that 70K. You guys already know, man. I think one of the most, one of them goals that everybody wants is that 100K. And we're gonna get there soon with you guys. And like I said, until we get there, I always wanna say thank you for the support you guys have been showing. My IG and my Twitter will be linked down below. You guys know, man, I've been putting a lot of people on as far as shock drop restocks. A lot of people don't even know where the information be coming from, but there's a lot of reliable sources that do retweet, reshare, put you guys on to help you out for all those future shock drop restocks and all that crazy stuff. As I said, both those links will be down below in the description box, and make sure you tap into the Clothing Brand Unknown Collections. We're coming into our last couple of sizes for our summer collection. I can't wait for this fall winter one. It's gonna be crazy. So like I said, tap into my Clothing Brand Unknown Collections. Shop right now, crazy sale. Yeah, with all that being said, let's jump right into this unboxing straight from the Nike sneakers app. All right guys, so you already know, man, I usually do not hit on the Nike sneakers app. You guys go watch all my past, live cops. I'm always that one that literally, it's a live cop for sure. Cause as soon as I take an L on sneakers, I go right to StockX and I cop the pair just for you guys, you know what I'm saying, for the content, for me actually liking the sneaker, and it's all good because I definitely want to, put more content out for you guys, show you guys what my sneaker collection's been coming up to. Even though I sold about 50 pairs of shoes, maybe, I think last year I sold like 50 pairs of shoes. Now it's like I done bought 50 more pairs since that time. So we're gonna get right into it. Shouts out to the Nike sneakers app. It's always clutch when you get that huge dub, man. Like when you get that got 'em message, when you see that share now to show your friends, flex on everybody, it feels good because I usually do not take W's. Like people know, everybody know. If you're OG and you used to watch the live cops, man, you can definitely attest to it down below in the comment section. I'm trying to get this damn box open. Got the tricky one going on right here. Hold on, we're gonna get in here real soon. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it real quick. Let's go ahead and put a box out. As you guys can see, all black box, nothing too crazy. I thought they would have, gave us a special box with this sneaker right here. They didn't. All black with your Jumpman on the top of the box. And then official colorway reads Air Jordan 14 Retro, light ginger, black, and white. And you guys already know what it is, man. Size 9, gang. You already know how we rocking. If you ever want to send your boy a pair of shoes for the retail, hit me up. Size 9, I'll take an L and hook your boy up, man. All right, so let's get into them. Nothing crazy. I'm honestly not sure how they gonna be hitting in person. On pictures, they look pretty good. Let's see how they looking in hand right now. Let me put you guys on real quick. And yes, sir, we have the Air Jordan 14 genders. Go ahead and pull both of the sneakers out of the box real quick, get that out the way, and yeah, man, give you guys a quick round view of these joints right here. Nothing too crazy. Like I feel like I don't know, it's not giving me what I thought I was gonna get when I actually had them or when I wanted them. I think the low top version really got people heads turning. People really want them returned, and now that we have them in hand, it's just like it's another one of those pickups. I definitely feel like the gingers are a notable Air Jordan 14. I'm not gonna say you gotta have it in a collection because it's a lot of 14s. I don't know if you guys can see behind me that I do have that you gotta have, like Last Shots, Cherries. What else we got back there? And then definitely the Ferrari 14s, must cops if you ask me. Those are must haves. But these right here, nothing too crazy. I'm not even gonna gas them up for y'all. I'm not gonna be like, oh, this is the best shoe ever in 2022. I ain't gonna do that to y'all. It's a simple Air Jordan 14 colorway. Got the gingers, came back. Then the last time it released was years ago. I'm talking about even before it was probably a minute, probably like over 10 years since the last time that the low top version of the gingers dropped. But it's a clean colorway. Like I said, I'm not gonna take away from it. I thought the yellow was gonna be a little bit more dull, you know what I'm saying, duller than what it is now. And you got that white on the toe box, which, you know what I'm saying, gives it that whole, I guess, OG look to it, that Ferrari look. You know, this is inspired by, you know what I'm saying, Jordan's favorite car. But it's probably something I'm not as crazy over, you know what I'm saying. I don't think it lived up to the hype in my opinion. Got your white 2-3 on the back, as you guys can see. And of course, you got your Jordan on the tongue on both the sneakers. And then behind them, if you guys do not know, on Air Jordan 14s, you have Roman numerals 14 on the back of there. 14s is something that people only want when it's like a collab or OG colorway. I will remember to this day when I seen the Last Shot 14 sitting. I said, ain't no way we got the Air Jordan 14 Last Shots sitting. It was going for under retail. It was crazy, but had to get a pair. You gotta have them in a collection. People like me and people that really love those OG colorways, I know y'all went crazy over them and was like, yo, there's no way these joints are sitting as well. Check out the bottom of these joints right here. You got your little stamped 14 right there, and you got your white Jumpman. I believe you got some like carbon fiber plates on, or maybe it's just on the Ferrari, but you got like this little rib effect going on the bottom of the sneaker towards the outsole or the midsole of the sneaker right here, as you guys can see. So yeah, very quick unboxing. Definitely wanted to show you guys what one of my latest pickups was. I thought that this one right here was gonna be going for a little bit more money. I always gotta talk about it because it's like the day and age we're in right now. People only care about how much they're going for and all that good stuff. But I wanted to buy a pair of these early because I was, you know what I'm saying, I wanted the pair. I've been anticipating it all year. And it was going for around like $320, $330. I think you can get a pair right now for right around like $210, $220 in most sizes. So that's something we're gonna start seeing a lot more frequently with these Air Jordan releases, especially with people really saving up for them Chicago Reimagines. I know a lot of people gonna be wanting them Cherry 11s. And of course, we've seen the Armor Year 4s about to drop as well. So it's just a lot going on. And also the Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott Phantoms, all black joints, even though that's a super plain colorway that I'm not even gonna try to go for, people want them because of the resale value. It's a new day and age. People only care about getting sneakers that's worth thousands of dollars. They don't like OGs like this. They don't like OGs like the Air Jordan 3 Fire Rays. You know what I'm saying? Sneakers like that, they don't really care about. They want that hype. They want that what everybody else wants. And it's just a new day and age, and we got to get hip to it. And real quick before we put these down, let me know down below in the comment section if you secured a pair of these joints on Nike Sneakers app. Let me know if you got them on GOAT, StockX. You got to hit them on a resale. Let me know all that down below in the comment section. But my final thoughts, clean colorway. Didn't need them, I guess you could say, but it's one of them OGs. I had to have them. I hit on Sneakers app, which is very rare, and I'm happy to bring these to you guys in today's video. If you guys have not watched the full review and on feed over the Air Jordan 3 Fire Reds, man, make sure you tap in right now. I don't want y'all to miss out, you know what I'm saying? I'm linking down below, or you can just click on the channel. You'll definitely see it being one of the latest videos that we dropped. Crazy quality. Had to have them. Definitely gonna double up on these, and I'm still heavily thinking about giving a pair of these away to one lucky supporter on the channel. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thanks for tuning in today's video, and while it's been said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.